One of the biggest things at the moment is everyone's talking about electric cars and talking about hybrid cars. We're getting asked a lot of questions all the time, both on the service and sales department. They're obviously up and coming. Every manufacturer is bringing out more and more models. Like Vauxhall just announced an all-electric Corsa, for example, which is a very mainstream vehicle. So they are coming, and they're going to be very, very common on the roads. So the petrols and the hybrids and the electric cars are going to be the only vehicles that are going to be available in the future. So from an electric car perspective, a lot of people ask us about what are we going to do in the future. Are we electric car ready? Can we touch hybrid cars? Can we help people with hybrid cars? The question is yes. Electric cars, obviously they have all their running gear, so they have the tyres, the brakes, the suspension components, the headlights, all the electrics within the car itself. So you've still got the MOT requirements, you've still got the annual servicing requirements on those items. We can offer all those services. Then on the hybrid vehicles, they're obviously a combination engine, so they've got an electric motor twinned with a diesel or a petrol conventional engine. So that motor will actually need a general servicing, it will need a general upkeep, and then obviously the running gear, which I mentioned on the all-electric cars. On the hybrid vehicles, with the diesel and petrol twinned engines, they will require all the standard MOT procedures, so you still have to run them through the emissions checks, tyre checks, brake checks, headlight checks. So despite everyone moving over to electric and starting to think about electric, you do still need to think about your maintenance and repairs in a conventional format really, and coming to a garage like ours. When it comes to like the infrastructure around electric cars, that's obviously you have to keep your eye on that and where you live and what facilities you've actually got available. Different manufacturers are bringing out different kind of schemes to have like a home charger kit. So if you've got any questions about them, we are quite well versed on all the different vehicles and models available at the moment, so I'd be happy to kind of share that information with you.